it's Gina with WTI. Some of my favorite things about this body wash from Vitasana are, first off, that it has so many good ingredients. Things like aloe vera and cherimoya in it really give you lots of hydrating moisture, and it feels so smooth and amazing on your skin. This is a hand and body wash, and it lathers up really well, so you don't need a lot. You're gonna feel very clean, but again, your skin's not gonna feel dry or tight. It's gonna feel really nice and moisturized. Just as important as what is in it is what's not in it. This is EWG certified, which is super important to me, and it's free of things like sulfates, parabens, and phthalates, among others. Secondly, this smells amazing. I got the sea buckthorn bergamot scent. I'm obsessed with this scent. It is not floral, but it has a really nice kind of woodsy, slightly citrusy. It is just amazing, and I want to smell it all the time. Vitasana has other scents to choose from. You're really going to love these products as much as I do. I can't recommend them enough, and that's my point of view.